Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rotary tool that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dremel 4300-540 High Performance Rotary Tool Kit. The Dremel 4300 Rotary Tool Kit is our top product. According to several review websites online, and existing users around the world, this rotary tool is a high performance and operates with LED for fine detail work. The Dremel toolkit features the tool itself, and 40 other high-quality accessories stored in a durable plastic casing. A bonus to this kit is the set of 5 attachments, meant to aid in activities such as sanding and hollowing. The Dremel rotary multi-tool uses a high-powered motor, which is very impressive when compared to other existing products on the market. This motor delivers the maximum performance in all situations, no matter how demanding the application might be. The Dremel 4300 toolkit offers variable speeds, ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM. In designing this toolkit, the staff of Dremel wanted to create a cordless rotary tool that was as versatile as possible. The 4300 rotary toolkit works flawlessly with all Dremel accessories. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dremel 8220-128 12-volt max cordless rotary toolkit. There is another rotary tool from Dremel, and this product has made it to the second place on our list. The Dremel 8220 Rotary Toolkit is a cordless toolkit that is highly versatile and can be used as a polisher, engraver, and sander at the same time. The Dremel 8220 toolkit is compelling, compact, and portable. All its operations are powered by a powerful lithium-ion battery with a maximum performance of 30,000 RPM. This tool also has a variable speed feature. This rotary tool also has a lot of features worth discussing. The first feature we highlight is its versatility. It comes with attachments, the rotary tool itself, a charger, accessory case, plastic storage case, and 28 high-quality Dremel accessories. And for fast and easy accessory changes, the Dremel toolkit is designed and built with a patented X-twist nose cap. At number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER RTX-B 3-speed RTX rotary tool. Meet the BLACK+DECKER RTX-B rotary tool, a special rotary tool with a storage case. It's an imported rotary tool that is full of all accessories you will need for your various tasks, both in the home and office. This rotary tool features 5 different accessories, a user guide, wrench, and a storage bag. All these elements go a long way to help you in the garage or when you're on the road. During your workshop times, you can change accessories with ease thanks to the exclusive RTX flip lock spindle lock system. What's more, the BLACK+DECKER RTX Speed Rotary Kit works well with all standard rotary tool accessories, thanks to its universal collet system. This rotary tool uses a powerful, high-torque motor that delivers twice the power of all competing brands. Strength, durability, and precision are the main attributes associated with this rotary tool. Furthermore, accuracy is assured via the tool's variable speed settings. These 3 speeds include 12,000, 24,000, and 30,000 RPM. At number 2, we have the DEWALT DW660 rotary tool. We all want the easy way out when it comes to household tasks, and this rotary power tool promises to bring our desires to reality. DEWALT is a leading manufacturer in the world of hardware tools, and it launched its latest product, the DEWALT Rotary Saw. This durable saw is one of the most powerful units in the market today, put together by the best engineering team in the world. If you're searching for a tool that is great for cutting, we will recommend this rotary. It is designed for use in all areas, whether it is your home garage, a job site, or any other area where saws are needed. This rotary power tool from DEWALT includes a single drywall cutting bit and collets of various sizes. The first and most prominent feature of the DEWALT rotary saw is its slim body design. With such a configuration, users experience less fatigue, no matter how long they use the tool. Besides strength, durability is another trait of the DEWALT saw. It comes with a dust-sealed switch that keeps dust out at all times. And finally at number 1, we have the WEN 2305 Rotary Tool Kit with Flex Shaft. Meet the WEN Rotary Tool, the last unit introduced by leading manufacturer WEN. This is a versatile and powerful toolkit that includes a 100-piece accessory set made up of sanding discs, mandrels, and polishing pads. The speed of this toolkit varies from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. The WEN Rotary Toolkit is designed with the onboard spindle lock and 2.3mm and 3.2mm collets that enable you to change bits easily and quickly. For jobs requiring intricate precision and detail, attach the flex shaft included in the WEN Rotary Toolkit to the tool. You can take this rotary tool on all your travels with ease because it is so light and portable. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.